Very good morning, children. Today we are going to start with coordination, the linking system lesson. Already we have discussed about digestive system in the nutrition lesson, respiratory system in the respiration lesson, and next about pumping, heart, transportation lesson, and fourth lesson about kidneys, filtering devices we have discussed, and coming to the coordination here, how the coordination is possible, which which organ in our body is useful for the coordination, about all the systems. Yes, nutrition, respiration, and transportation, excretion, these all are in coordination, in communication, and in control by coordination. So the linking system, which is linking all these, the nervous system and the brain, spinal cord, about these all we are going to discuss in this coordination lesson. Okay, in this lesson we have structure of the brain, internal structure of the brain we are going to see. So what are the parts involved in brain, how it will controls all the organs in our body, and is it only the thing responsible for the entire coordination? No, it is not only the only thing, including brain, nervous system, and spinal cord. We are having coordination on our body, control to balance our body. Physical postures, how can we give? Dancer can dance. Yes, we are running, we are walking, even though how we are standing in upright position without control and without balancing. We are balancing with a system, special system called coordinate system. Which one is coordination in our body? Brain will give signals, through nervous system we are receiving all those signals. We have receptors. Yes, in our sense organs we have sense organs to get the information. Due to that we are getting reception. How we are getting information? By sense organs to our body. For example, somebody is falling down. While we are observing with our eyes, we can get that idea. Oh, he is falling down. So that signal goes to the brain, and brain will send again signals and orders. Again orders to the nervous system. Nerves will pass that to our muscles. Yes, muscular system. So due to that muscular system, we can catch that person. So within a fraction of second, everything will be happen like that. So one day you said that Meghana, yes, Meghana falling down into the water. Some people will save her. Some people were saved. Who is that person in Ocean Park? How he can do like that? He observed. He observed her. She is sinking in that. Yes, she is facing some problem. He observed. That person observed and he saved at that time. So like that, how can we are getting that ideas? Something is falling down, we'll catch at a time without knowing, within a fraction of second we are getting all idea, and again a reaction. Yes, action to that we are doing again with the help of muscles. So motor nerves are giving signals to our muscles. So and again receptors, through receptors the signals are going to the brain. So how these all coordination taking in our body, this lesson will explain the entire thing. So about the importance of nervous system, spinal cord, brain, the functions of the brain, spinal cord and nervous system, we are going to see in this lesson. So like that, nervous system, first about the structure of the nerve. In 9th class also you have this structure, and again you have, and how the nervous system working, what are the different types of neurons present in our body, sensory or efferent neurons, and one more is motor or efferent. Afferent and efferent. See, afferent, AFFERENT. In kidney lesson, in kidney topic also we have discussed about this afferent and efferent. So like that, here also two types, motor neurons, and the other one is associative nerves, association. So which link between that two, motor and sensor? So actually sensor nerves gives sense organs to sensor nerves, Nana. Sense organs to sensor nerves, and brain to reverse motor nerves. Brain to reverse carrying signals. reverse carrying. These are efferent nerves and to the muscles, like that. The associative nerves are the linking nerves between the brain and the muscles. So like that we have three types of nerves. About these three types we will discuss now. And then reflex arc. Yes, reflex arc. How the signals going, detectors, receptors and detectors we have in our muscles. And then again through sensory neurons, that signals will go to the brain, and again through efferent nerves it will come to the muscles and the muscles will react. So those are called motor nerves, which are giving signals to the muscles and body parts. Those are efferent nerves or motor nerves, and which are giving signals to the brain are called sensory nerves. And receptors are there to give information from sense organs to afferent, A-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, afferent nerves. Those are also called sensory nerves. So we'll discuss about all those clearly. And the next one is spinal cord. About spinal cord, brain. About brain we are going to discuss in this lesson. Clear structure and all the functions of the brain. So entire class is needed for this. And next one is about spinal cord. What is the importance of spinal cord? That also we'll discuss. The autonomous nervous system. So what is the system present in our body? Nervous system. About nervous system we'll discuss clearly in this lesson. And the story of insulin. So insulin, I think you listened. What is insulin, Nana? Sugar patients. Yes, diabetic patients will take in this insulin. So it is a thing we'll discuss, which is produced by pancreas. Okay, which is a hormone. So insulin is a hormone which is produced by pancreas in our body. Pancreas we have in the digestive system. ఒక side కి మనం pancreas ఉంటుందని మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం. So pancreas releasing that hormone insulin. So about that also we'll discuss clearly. Story of insulin is also there in this lesson. And what are the coordinators? Chemical coordinators which are involved in our body. So these all are physical only. Yes, all are physical only. What is chemical? Hormones. Yes, some substances which are useful for coordination. Hormones related to coordination are comes under chemical coordinators. So adrenal glands we have a, so like the different glands are releasing different hormones. So adrenaline hormone is called like that. These all are hormones comes under chemical coordinators. That also we'll discuss in this lesson. And the next one is control. How the coordination and control is there in plants. They are having brain, spinal cord and all? No, but they have some sensory sensory parts. Yes, how that is possible? In their body different hormones are present. In plants also some sensor chemical coordination happening there, not physical. Yes, physically they are not having spinal cord, brain and all, nervous system, those all they are not having, but they have xylem and phloem vessels, and the information is passing through hormones. Okay, in the plants through hormones. Touch me not plant, you know, Nana. If we touch it, it will be like this. If we touch it, it will be closest like that. uh, there is a brain for them? No, due to some hormones, specialized hormones they are having, due to that they have some special sense. So like that we can observe. And that sunlight, sunflower, where the sunlight it will turn. Yes, where the sunlight it will turn, that is also type of sense in there. And they are having some special types of hormones, due to that only they are having that sense. Those all will discuss in this lesson. Okay, and tropic and nastic movements in the plants, last topic in this. So in this we will discuss about that plants coordination process in the plants. So like that we have different things in this lesson. Entire lesson we have, this is the introduction about this lesson. So now I want to start with introduction once again. What is the starting part to introduce these all? So in human beings and animals, we are having brain. Yes, animals are also having brain, spinal cord. Some are vertebrate and some are invertebrate. Some are not having spinal cord. Yes, and how the coordination among all the systems. So we are giving different postures, we are running, walking, we are doing so many activities. For talking also we need coordination. For talking also, yes, who tell to involve like this, who tell to me, who is telling to me to do like these classes and all. By reading, how can we get idea on this? Yes, these all information first through my eyes, it is going to my brain, then my brain giving again a order to my mouth, then my mouth is talking like this. So like that we have a specialized system called coordination, the linking system. So how it is working through my nervous system, and also my spinal cord is helping me to do all, and my brain is working, then only I can. If even a small damage in brain, then we are getting abnormalities. Yes, my talking is different at that time. We are getting anger feeling sometimes. Yes, sometimes we will be cool. ఏదేమైనా మనం హ్యాపీగా ఉంటాం, అందరినీ హ్యాపీగా మాట్లాడతాం. Sometimes we will shout a lot. Yes, because of stress. So these all coordination needed us. Yes, well being అంటే అన్ని నార్మల్ గా వర్కౌట్ అవ్వాలంటే బ్రెయిన్, స్పైనల్ కార్డ్, నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ సిస్టమ్ ఆర్గాన్ ఇన్ అవర్ బాడీ షుడ్ బి వెల్ in especially coordination part, this brain part, nervous system will work out very well, then only we are well being. So this is the basic thing. Nervous system is most important. In autonomous nervous system they have given one topic, in that we will discuss about that once again clearly. So here, what are the functions do you think needed in coordination? What are the functions? Our muscular system is also needed. Yes, muscular system, skeletal system, all needed, including brain, heart, everything need to coordinate, communicate with other parts. Especially nervous system and brain should work out very well, then only our heart will work, our breath will work. Yes, if we are not feeling well, if we are, our bp will increase. Yes, brain will get anger signals. At that time breathing will be slow. Sometimes ఆయాస పడుతుంటారు కదా కోపంలో కొంతమంది. So like that. So each and every system will be in coordinate with the nervous system and brain. And spinal cord is also most important. What is the importance of the spinal cord, we will discuss next. And what is the definition of the coordination? I'm talking about coordination, coordination and coordination. One more time also coordination I am telling. So what is the definition? The organisms, living organisms. Yes, we are talking about living organisms. Inside of the living organisms, different organs we have, different organs we have, because we are living beings. And all the animals also like that, different living organisms are having different organs in their body. So there is a organization. Yes, to those all organs there is a specialized organization needed for those organs in coordinate. For example, in our classroom we have, you have 9 members like that and a teacher. How the coordination is possible? You should all concentrate on what teacher is telling, you should all keep your phones mute, then only we can coordinate with each other. So what is the coordinator here? Who is the coordinator? Teacher is the coordinator. Like that we need a brain, like that we need a specialized system called a brain. And how the signals are processing here, phones we needed. Yes, that is nervous system. Phones, me phones, na phone, ivanni kuda nervous system. So like that, what is the spinal cord? Network. Yes, network, through the network only we can communicate. Phone unna saripod kada. So like that మనకి ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంటే. ఈ కమ్యూనికేషన్, ఈ కోఆర్డినేషన్ అవుతుంది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అంటే ఎన్ని కావాలి మనకి? బ్రెయిన్, టీచర్ ఒక బ్రెయిన్. ఎస్, స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ నెట్వర్క్, యువర్ ఫోన్స్, ఆల్ యువర్ ఫోన్స్ ఆర్ నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్. సో లైక్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ ఏ స్పెషలైజ్డ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ and specialized system. So coordination means the organization of the all the organs which enable them, which enable the living body, which enable the living body to work together. So all the organs to communicate with each other, they are under the control of something, and they should coordinate with each other. The organization needed for them, that is coordination. The organization of the different organs of the body to enable them to work చేయడానికి ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసేదే కోఆర్డినేషన్ అన్నమాట. ఆల్ ఆర్గన్స్ షుడ్ వర్క్ టుగెదర్ to perform a task or an activity. So this is inside the living body. Coordination means organization, exactly organization of all body parts, all organs, to enable them to work together for a efficient result. ఏదైనా efficient result. For example, a dancer is doing dance. So all of our body parts should work out well. Then only the dancer can give correct postures. Yes, Bhanupriya at that time she has given different posture for sitting. Yes, so like that you all given a proper posture, only she is not giving because her brain is not cooperating with her to give that posture. So coordination should be there for each and every task successful ga ravalante coordination must be needed. Physical posture kaadu, mental also, and everything, whatever the task we want to do, we should be alert. Some people will always thinking and so they are not observing what is happening in the surroundings, like that. So what is there? Absent mind, we are calling like that, absent mind. Their mind is thinking somewhere else. Physically they are here but mentally they are not here, their thoughts are different, so that's why they are not concentrating on the surroundings. So దానికోసం కోఆర్డినేషన్ కావాలి కదా. The skeletal system should be give signals to the brain. Please coordinator, please cooperate with me అని వాళ్ళ skeletal system చెప్పాలి. So what they are feeling, sense organs, what is happening in the surroundings, their sense organs should give signals to the brain, then brain will work out well, then it will gives back orders to the body, then only it will be workout. So sense organs kuda important, brain is also important, nervous system is also important, spinal cord is also important. Like that we have different parts in the coordination system, the linking system. So every physical movement there is a well coordinated system to balance the postures. So likewise, what are the other functions involved to perform activities? What are the other functions? Muscular system is also needed because our muscles are generating one protein, Anna. So muscles are generating a protein called the protein name they have not given here. So motor nerve impulses, impulses due to the signals passing in our body. So what are the signals? Electric currents inside of our body. How the signal ante enti signal ante ions pass avadam. Yes, ions passing from one place to another place through nervous system, through one nerve to another nerve, like that, nerve cell to another nerve cell. So motor nerve impulses make proteins. So due to that proteins only our muscular system have a certain that protein which is generated by impulses, nerve impulses, that protein changes their shape. So that protein into the muscle, it come into the muscle, it will changes the position of the muscle. So muscles are helping us to give postures, different actions, whatever we are doing through with the help of muscles only we are doing. So muscles contain that type of special protein which is coming from the nerve impulses, which change the shape of the muscle according to our need. According to our need, muscle can change the shape. So like that. So muscular system is also important here. And the body organs, tissues and cells work together systematically then. All are picking up signals and change. What are the picking up the signals and changes around us? Changes, whatever the changes we are feeling, that is called as stimuli. So physical or chemical change around us, whatever we are detecting with our sense organs, that is called as stimuli. Physical ga gaani, chemical ga gaani, outside gaani, inside gaani వచ్చే change మనం observe చేస్తాం కదా, that is called as stimuli. Whatever the changes, that may be internal or external, బయట గానీ మన బాడీలో గానీ, physical or chemical change, we can able to detect. Yes, for example, internal change I am telling. Yes, our body, some part, any part is being swelling now. Yes, my leg is swelling. Like that we can feel. That is internal change, physical change we are observing. Due to chemical substance, there may be anything wrong. So like that we can observe a stimuli. And sometimes we will feel like, what is that, burning, like anywhere, our finger, anywhere else we are getting a burning sensation. That is a change we can detect. And outside the atmosphere will be very cold. Due to that we are getting shivering, very hot. Due to that we are getting sweat. So these all comes under changes, Nana. Changes we are observing, we are detecting that, detectable changes by our body, that may be physical or chemical, or comes under stimuli. Dane stimuli antaru. STIMULI. So stimuli is a detectable change in the physical or chemical structure of an organism. So that may be due to external or internal environment. లోపల నుంచి అయినా రావచ్చు ఆ చేంజ్, మన బాడీ బయట నుంచి అయినా కావచ్చు. సో లైక్ దట్. హౌ డు వి రెస్పాండ్ టు ఫాస్ట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు సిచ్యువేషన్? హౌ కెన్ వి రెస్పాండ్ ఫాస్ట్? Due to the sense organs, the signals are going. Then only we can respond. Sense organs, receptors will give signals to the brain. Then only we'll get a response. Yes. And what help us to respond such signals? Again, response ki help chestunnave enti? Nervous system. So which carry signals from the brain. Motor nerves will help us to respond. Yes. So how can we respond? First, basically receptor should give signals to the brain. And how can we respond again back? By feeling. By feeling means sense organs and receptors will give signals brain. Then only we can feel the situation. Then afterwards our reaction is possible by motor nerves carrying signals back to the muscles. So like that the system should be work out very well. Then only we can. So why does the living body respond such signals? Why does only living body can respond? Yes, because only in the living body nerve impulses generate అవుతాయి. That protein generate అవుతుంది. Dead body లో nerve impulses ఉండవు, and that protein ఉండదు, muscles active ఉండవు అన్నమాట. Whenever the protein released by the nerve impulses, then only the proteins generated. Brain dead అయింది అంటారు కదా some people. So like that proteins generate అవ్వాలి. ఆ proteins generate అవ్వాలంటే there should be nerve impulses. That is possible. Ion channels, those are nerve impulses అంటున్నాను కదా, those are also called as ion channels which are passing information. So when the cell is stimulated, for example, change, stimulated means detectable change. Cell detected some change. So due to that ion channels passing that information, it allows positive charges. So positive charges through that channel, cell through open ion channels. సెల్ నుంచి ఓపెన్ అయాన్ ఛానల్స్, ఈ అయాన్ ఛానల్స్ ప్రోటీన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి ట్యూబ్స్ లాగా, ఛానల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, పాసింగ్ వైర్స్ లాగా పాస్ చేసేవి. ఎస్. సో డ్యూ టు దట్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ పాసింగ్ అండ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ దెన్ బికమ్స్ మోర్ పాజిటివ్లీ చార్జెస్. సెల్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయిన ఒక సెల్ నుంచి ఇంకో సెల్కి వెళ్తాయి కదా, అవుట్ సైడ్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్ పాస్ అవుతున్నాయి, సెల్లో ఇంకా ఎక్కువ అయిపోతాయి. సో విచ్ ట్రిగ్గర్ ఫర్దర్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కరెంట్స్. డ్యూ టు దట్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కరెంట్స్ విల్ జనరేట్, that can turn into electrical pulses. సో ఈ పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్ మూవ్మెంట్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా దానికి రివర్స్ డైరెక్షన్ లో నెగటివ్ చార్జెస్ మూవ్ అవుతాయి కదా. సో కరెంట్ అనేది ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంటుంది? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంటుంది. దట్ యు నో. సో డ్యూ టు దట్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ పల్సెస్ జనరేట్ అవుతాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ యాక్షన్ పొటెన్షియల్. Somebody is talking. Who is that? Okay, wait. Yes, listen here. What body system sends and receives electrical signal means nervous system. Yes, nervous system which travels through neurons. Messages travels through neurons. Nervous system is working through neurons, and the messages travel through neurons as electrical signals. When these signals reach the end of the neuron, they stimulate the release of the chemicals called neurotransmitters. So chemicals called neurotransmitters, and due to the electrical pulses and inside of that stimulation, chemical called neurotransmitters, due to that the nervous system is working very well. Then only the coordination possible. Tomorrow we'll discuss the further. Thank you.